There are so many ways of making breakfast quesadillas, literally so many ways. Is there a right way? Is there a wrong way? Who knows? So come along with me and let's find out. The first step is to chop the smokies into bits as so. Second step is to take our chopped smokies and putting them in a pan and frying them for a couple of seconds till they are a bit golden brown. Once the sausages have become a little bit brown, as you can see, we just transfer them to another plate. In a separate bowl, let's add 1 egg, slight pinch of black pepper, some salt to taste, and let's whisk. In the same pan that I used to make the sausages, I'll add the eggs. And my egg is white because of the type of egg I used. And because of the color of the first egg, I decided to add a second ordinary egg, and on top of it I added cheese and let it simmer for a bit. After my cheese had melted, I added on top my tortillas. After 30 seconds of letting the cheese melt, I'll flip the tortilla together with my egg. And sorry, mine stuck on the pan because I didn't use a non-stick pan, so don't make that mistake. Now take the sausages and put them on half of a quesadilla as I have done. Yay! Our quesadilla is almost done, and now I flip one side of the quesadilla and let it cover the other half as so. We'll just keep on turning the quesadilla till it becomes hard and a little bit crunchy. And once it's done, now we can cut it into, ooh, look at the cheese, guys. Just look at how, oh my god, this looks so good. And for the ultimate, I don't know if you guys can see, look, the ultimate test. Let's see. Huh? It's so good. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment your feedback on this recipe or what you want to see next. And before I go, see you next time, guys. Bye.